Hey?
You're at 97 on the noise meter.
Oh, 97.
Yeah, so I don't know,
Okay.
bit of chicken wire or something may
I've
help.
got nothing.
Okay.
Well, whereabouts?
What do you mean?
Where did it hit 97?
Oh, we've got various noise meters
Oh,
around
okay,
there. So
right.
it's not about a particular spot.
Okay.
So, yeah, even I can ask our maintenance guys if they've got some chicken wire or something.
Does that really work though?
It has for other people, yeah.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not going to take like 5 or 10 decibels out of
Yeah.
it, but if you're 1 or 2,
Yeah.
which you sort of are, it can help.
Okay.
They just sort of, I'm not guaranteeing it, but I've seen
Yeah.
other people sort of roll it up and then sort of put it in and either hold it in with something or whatever.
I knew it was going to be borderline anyway because I've got
Yep.
big mufflers on, but I'm just going to have to get bigger ones.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay. All right. No
So-
worries.
You haven't got any other mufflers with you or
No.
anything? Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Give the chicken wire a go.
Yeah. I'll go in and park anyway.
Yep.
Yep. All right, man.
No worries. Where are you?
I'm way down the other end of the garage down there.
200s or 400s? So the first row or the second row?
Second row.
All right. I'll radio our maintenance guys, and if we've got any chicken wire, I'll get them to bring it down to
Okay.
you.
How do you stop it blowing out though?
It does. So at the end of the day, when we do the track clean-up, there's normally
Yeah.
10 or 12.
That's the problem with sticking something up.
Yeah.
We were thinking of a cheater plate or something, but
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the other thing. Some people put deflectors on,
Yeah.
on the track and
point them down maybe. I don't
Yeah.
know where the exhausts on this are.
That's at the back.
Yeah.
It's got a full exhaust on it
Yeah.
Okay.
though. They make a lot of noise.
Yeah. Sounds good though.
Yeah.
I had a VE SSV, so
Okay.
quite like the old Commodores.
I thought I was going to get done for overtaking, but I'm in the slow group. So.
Yeah, no. Just noise. All good.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.